Magandang araw po sir. Ang topic ko po ngayon is all about boxing the compass and kung paano po ito makakabisa or memorize ng mas madali. So, meron po ako ditong green knowing. Ayan. Unang-una po sa lahat, dapat po alam natin yung north, south, east, tsaka west. Unang-una po natin gagawin, hahatiin po natin yung north, south, east, tsaka west sa apat, which is northeast, southeast, southwest, at tsaka northwest. And pagkatapos po nun, hahatiin po ulit natin siya sa 8 na, which is north, northeast, east, northeast, east, southeast, south, southeast, south, southwest, west, southwest, west, northwest, at north, northwest. Ganon din po sa last na gagawin, hahatiin po ulit natin siya, which is sa 16 na po. And sa huli po, lalagyan na natin siya ng by. North by east, northeast by north, northeast by east, east by north, east by south, southeast by east, southeast by south, southeast, southwest, southwest by south, southwest by west, west south, west north, northwest by west, northwest by north, at north by west. Ayan. Bali, ang magiging technique na lang po natin dito para makabisa po natin ng mas madali. In every point po, may by siya. Kunwari, ito, nasa north tayo, walang by, may by, walang by, may by, walang by, may by, and so on and so forth po siya. Ganun po. And sa technique naman po sa mga numberings niya, which is sa all palibot po niya is 360. Bali, in every point 11.25 po siya. Kunwari sa east, kunwari sa east 90 siya, 90 degrees. Mag-a-add ka lang po ng 11.25 in every point para po makuha mo yung sagot. Kunwari nasa east tayo, 90 degrees. A-add ka lang po ng 11.25 para makuha mo yung sagot sa east by south.